are going to do another writing skill, that is poster making. Poster making. Switch on to your fair notebooks. Open up your fair notebooks. Now, what is poster making? Jasmine, you can come with that girl. Now, what is poster? Pawan, you can go to that side. Go to that side. Krishna, you also move to that side on that desk. Don't worry. Sit on the next desk. So now, beta, you may have, when you are going to the market or at the main roundabouts, you must have seen posters printed. Okay, then they are stick to the wall. So what are these posters? Why they are stick? Have you ever thought, for example, when the Dussehra was there, many posters were struck, Happy Dussehra. So when there is any kind of exhibition also, there is a poster or a hoarding on the marketplace in order to inform people. So actually what a poster is? Poster is mainly meant to be stuck on the wall, okay, in order to aware people. Sometimes it is also to generate any kind of information. Sometimes it is also to aware people, and sometimes it is also for advertisement purpose. Okay, right? So these are posters you have seen today. When you go home, just check out which poster you have seen, and tomorrow you will tell me, yes ma'am, I have seen the poster which was stuck to the wall and it was mentioned that in the poster about this. Any of you have seen the poster? First of all, tell me. Yes. Right. So you know what are posters. So what are the main things to be included in the poster? What are the main things to be included in the poster? The main thing is that very short information in an attractive way, very beautifully, including pictures also, mainly headings also, and very short is written. And at the end, who has issued or who has made that poster? The contact number of that person or organization is also mentioned. Right? So now let us start with little bit of writing about poster. What actually a poster is. So write down what a poster is. Poster is a notice. Write down in your fair notebooks. A poster is a notice, an advertisement, notice or an advertisement or combined both in one. Combined both in one, or it means notice or advertisement, they can be combined both in one. Right? It is generally displayed on the walls. It is generally displayed on the walls. It is generally where it is displayed. It is generally displayed on the walls. So where it is displayed, mainly on the walls, it is stuck. Okay. Its design and style should be attractive one. Its design and style should be attractive one. I told you na, because if poster will be attractive, it will grab the attention of everyone. Only then people will look at them. Yes, let me see what is written here. Otherwise, no one will pay attention towards it. If no one will pay attention towards it, then it is not fulfilling the purpose. Okay. So its design and style is attractive. Its design and style is always attractive. Clear? Now, Beta, you can go to the next desk if it is vacant. Go. Now, write down useful tips to design a poster. Useful tips to design a poster. So when you will design a poster, you will have some useful tips in your mind. You will keep something in mind. For example, when you write down a notice, you always keep in mind name of organization. You keep in mind how to write down, okay, what, where, when. Next, you are also keeping in mind about writing about, you can say, date, time, place, and venue. So you are writing all these things, right? So now here in this case, when you design a poster, you will also have some useful tips with you, right? So what are these useful tips? So first is design a poster according to subject matter. According to subject matter. It means that what is the subject matter? It must be, yes, according to subject matter. The letters in a poster, next, the letters in a poster. The letters in a poster should be bold and attractive. They should be bold and attractive. I told you earlier also that when your poster will be attractive one, everybody want to see, yes, what is written in the poster. But if it is not attractive, written in very small letters, nobody will bother. What is this? Right? It should be attractive one. The language also, what kind of language? Language should be brief, catchy, and attractive. What kind of language should be there? Language should also be brief, catchy, and attractive. Okay. So it means that poster must be attractive in nature. And next, design should be striking. Design भी तो attractive होना चाहिए कि नहीं? Design should be striking. The design should also be striking. Use easy visuals. So what is the meaning of this? Pay attention towards the board. Use easy visuals. What is the meaning of this? Use easy visuals means you will make drawing, simple ones. But in paper, you will not waste much time in drawing so that you are making drawing in the poster and rest of the paper is left. You will cry at the end, oh my God, no. Make simple designs. And all the basic details should be given. And all the basic details should be given. Okay, it means that I told you next test. You can sit there. Go please. Otherwise you keep on talking. So it must contain all the basic details. All the basic details must be included in the poster. If it is not informative, then what is the use of writing a poster, right? So it must be informative. Next, afterwards, Now for every writing skill we have format. Let us write. I think first point is written by all. Okay, all points written. I am rubbing only first point. Next is format. First thing is that there is no fixed format. Okay? There is no fixed format, but include the following things or include the following points. But what you will do, you will include the following points while writing a poster. So now what are those important points that you will keep in mind? First is theme. In theme, you will write down about what is the topic, what is the event for which you are writing a poster. If it is for suppose for save electricity, you will at the top write down save electricity. Save water, then tips to save water. Okay. Now, if it is an event, then suppose you are writing an exhibition is going to be held or a blood donation camp is going to be held. Then you have to inform when it is, right? So for that, what you will write down for events, mention date, time, and venue. For if it is an event, you will mention where it is going to be held, a message, caution or appeal, a message, caution or appeal also can also be there. You will also include catchy slogans and captions. Catchy slogans and captions. Catchy slogans and captions. And at the last, name of the issuing authority. Right? It means that at the end, you will include the name of the issuing authority. Right? So what you will include by the time you write, you will write down about theme, where what is the topic or what is the event. If it is an event, mention date, time and place. If it is for some message, that cautionary message or an appeal is to be included. Then some catchy slogans and captions are also to be included. Then afterwards, name of the issuing authority. You will also include the name of the issuing authority. It is very, very important to mention the name of the issuing authority. Right? Yes, a message, caution or appeal. Now I am writing on the board a question. So if you have finished, show me a notebook, please. Suppose if you have finished here, then write the question here. Leave 2 lines, write the question here. Okay, Write the question here and you will make poster on one complete page. Write question at the top there, that space margin is there, you can write the question there, because poster can be made in one complete page. Now write down. Now let us write down. I'm rubbing that upper part. Now write the question, please. On Diwali day, write down. On Diwali day. On Diwali day, draft a poster. On Diwali day, draft a poster to aware the public, to aware the public this is P, public, not to burn crackers. Not to burn crackers. Right? Always put poster in box. Write down, add on one line in your notebooks where you have written this issuing authority. At the end, add on one line, put poster in box. Okay? So now let us start. Draw with pencil. Huh? Next page, yes. Draw with pencil. Next. Draw with pencil. That will be helpful. Draw with pencil. First is silence. First of all, make a box because this is your first time. This is the reason why you are making with pencil. You can rub it on and off. Right? So now, how you can say? First of all, what should be the heading? Suppose you want to tell people not to burn characters. What one attractive line you will make? Happy Diwali, okay? Very good. Happy Diwali. Right? Then you can use, for example, you can use various ways like clean and green Diwali. Right? You can write down. Okay? Or suppose you can also write down make with pencil. You can use shading. You can use different type of letters, attractive ones. You can use big letters. Okay? Right, to make it attractive. No, don't use sketch pen. Don't use sketch pens. As you wish. You can use shading, you can use anything, you can use big letters also, right? Anything, it should be attractive. Yes, you will write it down, right? Yes, you can write down. Arjun, keep quiet. You can write down anything like eco-friendly Diwali or no. Pencil. Use pencil for the first time. Okay? Write anything you can write down. I have given you many options. Now next point is like we are awareing people why not to use crackers. अब हमने लोगों को बताना है. Sit down please. Now we have to tell people not to use crackers. What we will say? What we will say? Why we should not use crackers? Like you can make, do you know? Okay, you, because this is meant for spreading awareness. Because this is meant for spreading awareness. So you can start like that. Do you know? Because you want to aware people that pollution increases from 100 to 300%. Okay, you can write down this point. Life. It is pollution increases from 100 to 300%. Next point, these points you just keep in mind, you will draw at home. Or pollution increases from 100 to 300%, then causes serious health issues like asthma, okay, increased heart rate. It is a threat to animals. It is a threat to animals, okay. Animals are a threat. It is threat to animals. No. Last one. It is threat to animals, right? Causes many health problems. Okay? It causes many health problems. What type of health problems? Like asthma. Okay? Increased heart rate. Okay? Breathing problems. Next, one more thing is, it is great injustice for young children who make crackers in factories. उनके साथ भी injustice है ना? It is great injustice for children who make crackers. It is of course great injustice. Great injustice for children who make crackers. It is great means those young children who are making crackers in factories, it means we are doing injustice to them. So now we have written why we should not burn crackers. Now we will write down the message. Have clean and green Diwali. Have eco-friendly Diwali. Again write down message in capital letters. Have eco-friendly Diwali. Okay. Then you can also make image here. Image of crackers, for example. Anything. stand up. You can make any type of crackers. I told na to add visual. It means that you can also make picture with this. And now suppose you want to give suggestion also, right? You want to give suggestion also. So now how you will give suggestion? Suggestion, what we can do on this Diwali? We can give some potted plants to relatives for green Diwali. Okay, so you can write down this Diwali, gift some potted plants to your relatives and friends and celebrate green Diwali, right? Message should be written at the end again in bold letters. This Diwali, gift some potted plants to your friends and relatives to celebrate green Diwali. Again, it should be written in in bold letters. Okay. And at the last, who has issued it? Issued for public interest. Issued for public interest, put it in box. Issued for public interest, you can put it in box.